Good morning, Dan from House Washing Heroes, and this is Albany Creek. So this is a regular client that we look after. Last time we were here, we took care of those black glazed terracotta tiles, which are always a little bit tricky, but they've been taken care of. There's also a whole bunch of solar panels that were cleaned last time, and they look like they have held up well. We might just give them a little bit of a tidy up just to make sure that there's nothing snuck back onto them. And today we're taking care of the house washing, so we are soft washing the house, pre-spraying all of these outside of the gutters, under the eaves, all of the walls. All these little cobwebs and little grass grubs won't be happy with us, so this will come up beautiful gleaming white. All these tiles down here are all going to be pre-treated. We're going to surface clean these, and see Jade over here just working around those plants. So the plants have been pre-sprayed. After we've treated the house, we post-spray them and rinse them all off. And then around the back here, a little bit of furniture that we've had to tarp up. We'll be surface cleaning all of this area down here as well. And we will then clean all the glass using our water-fed pole system, our filtered water system. And that should come up absolutely beautiful and have this property ready for summer. If you need a quote, go to housewashingheroes.com. Be happy to help. Bye.